How to get Temu coupon code for all existing customers. Hello everyone, I am Vishakha and welcome to our channel Create, Login and Delete. Let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, open Temu. I will open Temu in my browser here. You can open your Temu application too. Shop a little and add items to your cart. Make sure to reach the minimum purchase amount set by Temu. Now go to your cart and select the items for your final purchase before checking out. Now tap on Checkout button. Below Order Summary, you will see the text box for Enter Coupon Code. In order to get the coupon code, do watch the following steps very carefully. You can see here I have various options for code and deals. Click on any of the option below. You will get this kind of pop-up. Now firstly, enter the reCAPTCHA for verification and then you will get the Temu code. Tap on the copy option there and now go back to Temu. Paste the code that we just copied and now tap on apply. With this, you will be able to add coupon code in Temu. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.